We may be children, but we all have rights.
Children need to be heard. They have amazing ideas.
We want to share with you what it is to be a child rights champion. The cross-party group on children and young people at the Scottish Parliament have developed a Child Rights Manifesto which reflects the voices and experiences of over 3,500 children from across Scotland. It tells us what it means to be a child rights champion and how children and young people think those champions should behave. They have come up with 5 big messages.
In our Scotland, child rights champions will
Make sure we are all included.
Promote and protect our rights.
Create respectful communities that celebrate difference. Support us all to live full, healthy lives where we can aspire and achieve.
Actively listen and empower us to participate.
We talked to Kirsty, Ewan and Jordan, who are all members of the Scottish Youth Parliament, about children's rights in Scotland and who they think would make a fantastic child rights champion.
Every child in the world should be protected because they are vulnerable, because they're obviously young people. They don't have the same mechanisms to stand up for themselves. They need to be supported and they need to have their rights protecting them.
Young people have an important role to play in that promotion of rights and promotion of young people's voices. Young people are experts of their own experience, and therefore it's important their voices and views are heard. What makes a good child rights champion is somebody who has the best interests of children and young people at their heart, who has an acute awareness of what children's rights and young people's rights are, and can effectively ensure that those rights are not only recognised but promoted and ensure that they're delivered as well.
A child rights champion can overall just be just about anybody. It doesn't need to be a child, doesn't need to be a young person, doesn't need to be an adult, just anybody who is well informed about it or not well informed and sort of training themselves up, and anybody who can get proactive about trying to educate others and influence decision makers and be decision makers themselves, which is crucially important to make sure that we have in government people that are really passionate about these kind of issues.
As long as they understand that children need to have their rights protected, and if they feel they have the ability to listen and empower young people to participate and get involved with things and just protect their rights wholly, then I think anyone could be a children's rights champion.
You can sign up to be a child rights champion and find out more about the Child Rights Manifesto on Together's website at www.togetherscotland.org.uk. Please share this message widely and make sure that all MSPs and candidates for the 2016 Scottish parliamentary elections sign up today.
Everyone should have rights and that should be respected. It is important all of us are treated the same and have the same opportunities.
Things would improve if people listened to us.
You understand yourself more than anyone. We are shaping the future of Scotland.